Going through some narrow streets here. It's only big enough for one vehicle. We're a little bigger and we're going up, so he's going to have to back up. Let us by. Yeah, he does. They're ready. They're ready. Now we got to make another swifty turn here so we don't hit these people. Because we need every inch that we can get, I guess. Thomas doing an excellent, I think, driving job there. Yes, indeed. Alrighty. Home free there, I think.
Yeah, it should be to the...
This is our little wine tasting and lunch today. In the shades. We got some nice umbrellas here. Surrounded by the vineyards. And there's our people over there. Okay. Yeah, the ones I'm interested in tasting is this one here, which says harmonious, and this one here which says powerful. That's me, powerful there. If I like those, if he has them here, those I'd like to try, and maybe take a bottle home with me. And make my bag even heavier than it already is here. But I'm not so much of a white wine drinker. There's plenty of whites up here. They got a ton of those, and everybody likes those. But I like the reds. I like the reds. I'm not a white wine person here. All right, let's see what comes out next. Well, this is the one I'm tasting now, which is right here. It's quite good. So, we're going to do some more tasting on that. This is the winery we're visiting. We're going to go into the cellars here pretty soon. All right. Very compact. There's all the wine there. Or the empty bottles, at least, there maybe. Ready for bottling. Little forklift, a couple barrels here. Looks like pretty good new ones here. Well, can't tell if there's anything in there.
We make all the wine here. During the harvest, we have this place for presses this machine, and white wine go direct to press. And after we have this juice from the juice from the grape, and we make white wine. With the red grape, it's important to have contact with the skin, because the color is the skin, and fermentation should be with the grape, completely grape, without the still, without just the grape.
Just the inner.
No,
the stems.
We have a machine that take out,
okay.
But we don't pump the grape, because we will fermentation in the grape, and it's just very slowly, and this is important for fruity to have. And this. I have, during the harvest, all these places is without nothing, and I have all small barrel, but tank to every day we mixing for fermentation. And
oh, here's all the tanks in here.
What type of oak barrels we use? Is it French oak?